Sammael is the current and 348th Grandmaster of the Raven Wing and leader of the Hunt, the captain of the elite 2nd Company of the Dark Angels chapter of Space Marines, who leads the chapter's hunt for the fallen angels. As a senior member of the Dark Angels Inner Circle, he fully understands the dangers that the fallen present to the chapter and its honour. The leader of the Hunt and his warriors are the forefront of the physical search for the traitors that turned from Lionel Johnson, and the current incumbent Sammael epitomizes the dynamism and elan required for the role. Sammael is bold to the point of being reckless, a trait required in order to head a mobile company whose success depends upon speed and hard-hitting surprise. Despite his well-noted audacity, Sammael's reign at the head of the company has already been unusually long and successful. Although masterful at orchestrating distracting maneuvers and feints if given a chance, Sammael much prefers to take matters into his own hands. From the saddle of Corvex, his jet bike, a relic from the bygone age of technology, Grandmaster Sammael cuts down any foolish enough to face him. In battle he wields the razor-honoured Raven Sword, an heirloom that has served all Ravenwing Grandmasters before him. The blade, one of 3 forged from a meteorite that struck the rock long ago, has a razor-sharp edge that never dulls. When swung, it makes a low keening sound that few foes hear and live to tell of. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.